Hello, my name is Roland, and in this video I want to show you a custom toolbar made from some macros that I like to use when I work with multi-body in a part. We have a Windows form application built in Visual Studio 2019. It's split in three segments. First one, it's related to the body from level 1 with the specific functions. Then we have general functions for a part. And the third segment is related to the parameters. Time to time we need to create a parameter set and we don't have a license to create one, and then if we use a macro we are able to build. So just type the name and then hit create and our parameter set is built. Also when we need to import our specific parameters, I don't want to waste time to create them. Now in this example I create only 4, but time to time with different type of project or customer we need to add a lot of parameters. So this one is customized according to each customer need. Then we have the function side. In this one, first one I consider the most important. It's regarding the volume wireframe. Time to time we need to create a volume wireframe to maybe measure a part according to a specific axis system. So in this situation, just select the body and also the axis system and we will have the minimum volume defined. If we need to measure in a different axis system, we will reselect and then we will select the desired axis system. Now we see we have two wireframe geometry defined. Of course, these two, it's in each geometrical set with their own constructions. Then, time to time, when we work with input geometries from a customer, maybe design style, we need to extrapolate a lot of geometries, a lot of surfaces. So here I define the values for the extrapol, and then we are able to select multiple geometries, and after that our extrapol will be defined. Here it was selected in a different geometrical set, but I will redefine this one. So if I want to select multiple geometries, just select, specify the desired length, and then the geometry will be defined. After that, time to time we need to export some points coordinate. Maybe we need to export according to a different axis system. So for this one, we have the function prepare. Just select the geometrical set, and after we select the geometrical set, we select the axis system, and then an Excel will be filled according to our axis system selected. If we want to select a different one, the same, select the geometrical set and then the desired axis system. Of course, this one will keep creating new Excel files. Related to the body level 1, time to time we work in big structures with a lot of Boolean operation and so on, and maybe we need to show, or I don't know, hide the different type of bodies without moving the the tree. First, one of the useful commands is to hide everything except the selection, everything related to the bodies, or maybe show everything. Then maybe when we have a very big structure and we want to delete some parts, if we go manually and delete, all the bodies will be spreaded into the tree. With this one we can select the desired body to be deleted, and then all the bodies inside the selections will be deleted. After that, maybe we need to delete the empty bodies. We have the option to delete the empty bodies from level 1, and also if we have multiple bodies inside the structure without any content, we have this one also prepared. Then if we want to hide a specific body without moving the tree, we are able here to load all the bodies with content from level 1, and then we can hide or maybe show. Also we have the possibility to center graph or maybe to reframe. The same time to time, this one can be useful when we work with very big data and we have a lot of bodies inside the part. And the last function is related to the Presave. So basically we will hide everything, collapse the tree, defining where the main body, and select the ISO view. I think this one is very useful, avoiding saving the data, I don't know, with a center graph in a different, I don't know, geometrical set and hide show not necessary geometries. I hope you enjoyed. This was the part toolbar application, and yeah, have a nice day.